Hello, my friends. I'd like to share my opinion of 2009 iPad Pro 12.9-inch review as a laptop displacement. So I want to ask it this way: what do you do your laptop at home? Regular laptop. This is the question I ask for me. So this is iPad Pro. This is the unlock. Okay, let me show you. Unlock. So how you use your laptop? I use my laptop to watch videos from YouTube or Netflix, right? Or watch news on the web from Twitter, right? Twitter or other apps, right? That's what we do. Check emails. And personally, I have a video calls every weekend. I'm in video call with my family in Korea very often. So it's very good to have a big display and a high resolution front-facing camera for the video calls with the family in abroad. And we do web surfing and buy some product from Amazon, right? Amazon. Or we just sometimes we pay some credit card fee using online, and sometimes we also make a document, and also we see some pictures taken by smartphone with the big screen. And sometimes we play games, right? Play some games. And we also do some social network apps, right? Social network apps like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. And we also do the text message, right? If you have iPhone, the MacBook works seamlessly and can do texting from a laptop, right? That's the normal thing I do in the laptop. So I thought, okay, I need a new laptop to replace for those little purposes. But I had a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017 version. The issue was that the front-facing camera of MacBook Pro was very poor, only SD or not HD front-facing camera. It's a pretty bad resolution. And although display was big, that was the biggest complaint. So okay, I have decided I need a very big display, high resolution facing camera for video call with my family, and I also need the computer that can do normal laptop tasks, email, web surfing, watching videos, etc. So I did a research, and then finally I have decided to buy this MacBook Pro 12.9-inch. I purchased this iPad Pro about 3 months ago, I think about 4 months ago, and I used it for almost 4 months. It has an amazing device, and there's a lot of advantages I like to share with you. Also, there's just some disadvantage I also like to share with you. Let's get started. First, advantages. Basically, I can do most of my laptop works in this my iPad Pro very well. Personally, I said I have MacBook Pro, but my wife uses it mainly. I use iPad Pro mainly, and all laptop tasks can be done in this iPad Pro. That's great. Next one is the display. It has great Retina display, and this hertz, the refresh rate are so faster than normal computer. I think the hertz is also 120 hertz or 90. Pretty amazing display, high frame rate. And this original keyboard, this keyboard feeling pretty good. And I feel that this keyboard feels let me show you. Great. Okay. Yeah, multitasking also can be possible. So here, this is the test, right? Typing is the keyboard feels very good, I think, and very feel textile. I mean, the cloth textile feeling, also mechanical feeling or mixed feeling, feels very feel unique and feels good. And it's flat and sturdy because it's basically attached on the whole surface. Personally, I like this keyboard more than MacBook Pro keyboard, which is a butterfly keyboard mechanism. This feels much better, more typing distance, and a full-size keyboard works very well. And next one is the front, and this backside camera is pretty good, so it's great for video calls with my family. And this sound system is so amazing. Let me show you one of
Unity members need to follow the sign to make way to the experience zone as shown on the screen.
I need some music. I want to show some music. Read the music. Okay. Japanese.
How to read sheet.
Hey there, everybody.
It's amazing when you dash up.
You can feel it. Sound is so amazing. It can actually replace portable sound bar. Okay, that much is so great. Also, it's very portable, and I can use it to check on any recipe when I cook. It's very lightweight, And next advantage, it has for the first time in iPad Pro, it adopted USB Type C, right? So this is charger can be used my smartphone and iPad Pro works beautifully. It was a really big selling point for me. I just need one charging cable when I travel. I do trip, right? So great. And another thing is that so we usually unlock our personal device, right? So sometimes we type the password, right? When you unlock the right like this, right? You type it. But the iPad Pro has Face ID, so it can unlock my iPad Pro by reading my face. So simultaneously, it works very, very well. So all I need to do is just click the power button or unlock it, right? So intuitive, so fast. But another way, more easy way is that with the keyboard, just type, push spacebar and unlock it. One more time, boom. Just tap twice the spacebar and unlock it and open the home page. And with the key home, we have a shortcut, also works very well, very convenient. Yeah, so unlocking function, those small things are so convenient. And this iPad Pro has, and that's why I don't need to type a password anymore. I can save a lot of time. And it having a A12X Bionic chip with a 64-bit architecture, neural engine, embedded M12 core processor. Simply, it's fast. It works very well. So I think I can use this device easily more than 2 or 3 or even 5 years without any big slow performance with this amazing system. Yeah, then let's talk about disadvantage. This battery life is not as good as laptop. When I use watch YouTube or do conference video call with family, I can see very fast battery degradation. So yeah, battery life is not so fast, I should say. Yeah, battery life is not, I think, very fast. So I normally plug a USB type charger to here. And then next one is expensive. I bought this one with my friend's help from Apple employee discount, but it's still too expensive. Let's find price of iPad Pro. Okay, iPad Pro. Let's buy. Okay, discover. Oh, starting from 999. Okay, I choose space gray. I chose 64GB storage and the Wi-Fi version. Okay, $1,000. Okay, not cheap, expensive device. And as you can see, because it's everything is operated by touching, you can see that it's dirty. Display can be dirty, maybe fingerprint magnet display dirty. I need to clean it like this, many times, and we don't clean it very often, right? So yeah, just use it this way. So please, we need to touch it every day to operate it. That's not a good thing. But overall, later if I need it, if I'm interested in the drawing, I can buy Apple Pencil, right? Oh, sections display. Oh, very good. Video, work talk, coding skill. So basically, we can write live on code. We can build our app idea. Oh, nice. Yeah. This is it. Oh, yeah. That's it. That's my review of my iPad Pro to replace as a laptop replacement. So overall, I think I like it, and I can also use texts. Every normal laptop task can be done in iPad Pro, and I like it. Yeah. So if you're interested, I recommend it. This is a good. It could be good laptop replacement for you. I recommend it. Yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching my video. And I hope to see you later. Be happy by helping people. Bye bye.